is the Meike 25, not totally sure. Meike 25 f1.8 is on here right now. And I really enjoy how small it is. It's a very lightweight, very portable lens, especially paired with the F-T2 from Fuji. It's a great travel lens. The manual focus, I think, is the biggest downside to it. It's something that I'm really excited to learn, having such a small, lightweight camera, inexpensive as well. It came in at only $70 on Amazon. You can pick this one up, throw it in your bag. It's so lightweight, so small. I'm really excited for the ability to travel with this lens. I'm really excited for what challenges a manual focus lens brings, how much it helps you. I went around and took a couple shots, and here's a couple of those. It really makes you think about your shot before you take it, of where you want to focus, not just letting the autofocus sort of take over for you. I think it's a great training lens so far, and I've only used it for a day, running around trying to take a couple of night shots, because this thing goes down to f1.8, which is very wide, very bright. But while it makes it a bright, quick lens, it also limits the depth of field considerably. So I'm interested to see what it does for my video. When shooting video with autofocus, you just point it at your subject and it will stay in focus. But with this, when I move in, I go out of focus. And when I move too far back out, or the screen behind me is very much out of focus, but it also won't lose focus. If I move, I know where in focus is, and so I just come back to here and I know I'm relatively in focus. I know I have very limited range of where I can move, but with this limited range, I just know to come back to here and I know I'm in focus. I do have my field monitor that I can check to always make sure whether I'm in focus or not, or out of frame or not out of frame. So I'll be interested to see how this works. It's not the sharpest lens, I don't think. With some of my pictures I took, I noticed, and that definitely could have been me just missing focus on some of them, but even the ones I feel like I was hitting, it wasn't the sharpest of lenses. I also really like how bright it can make a shot. This scene is not as bright as it looks on the monitor right now. It definitely enhances it a good deal. With minimal lighting, it makes it a very bright scene right now. And since tomorrow I'm gonna have my umbrella in here, and so it should be way different. Hopefully in the next couple days I'll bring in a new lighting setup for this studio. I'm calling this corner of my apartment. This is my battle station, my studio for filming things. And so today's review is of the Meike 25mm f1.8. I really enjoy it. Also, a lot of people online were having, the reviews are kind of mixed. Some people seems like they just got a bad lens. The quality control is not as good as a name brand lens that you buy from Canon or Nikon or Fuji, Sony, but this one is a Chinese brand. Some people were saying the quality control is not as good on this one as some of the name brand first party lenses, but this one seems to be pretty good. Very smooth aperture and focus rings. The biggest thing I think that I like most about this is the long focus throw from infinity to the closest focus you can get is over half a turn. So hopefully this is in focus. So I don't know if this one works out well. If it's out of focus, I'm sorry, but if it is, I like that I don't have to worry about autofocus while shooting in the studio. I just have to get it set, then I know, just keep coming back to this same position. And if I move around, if I zoom in, it's gonna be out of focus, but if I come back, it'll be in focus, which is a big perk. I can't hold things up close to the camera, but I hold it next to my face and it's shooting on 4K, so you should be able to see it fairly clearly if it's in focus. Main goal is to get things in focus, and I have a thin plane to do that within. And so we'll see how well I did this on my first vlog, February 12th. I keep time stamping my data by saying it out loud because that's what day it is. And this is another vlog. Week 1 of February, I didn't meet my goal of getting 3 videos out, so this is week 2, and I might be able to compensate and overcome that by putting out 4 this week. We'll see how it goes. You know, I think last week was a good, successful one. I put out a couple of really good videos, and I'm really excited about the quality videos. as well as just putting out quantity. Because every video I make, shoot, edit, publish, I'm learning so much with every video. I'm really excited to see where this goes. So thank you guys for always sticking around, coming back. And as always, like and subscribe down below. It really helps this channel grow. And in the comments, let me know what type of fast primes you're shooting with. I'm currently really enjoying this f1.8, but maybe you like it faster, maybe you don't like it near this fast because of the shallow depth of field. But just let me know. I'd be super interested to hear from you guys what type of fast primes you guys like to shoot with. Thank y'all. Go Toaster out.